is banana chips. It's very delicious. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai. Today I'm gonna show you how to make banana chips. Yes, banana chips. And it's so easy. I used to do this when I was a kid. Very delicious, very yummy. You can have this one with caramel, or you can have this one with salt and butter. You can have this one with sugar. Today I'm gonna have with cheese. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Very important, you don't want to use ripe banana. You want to use green to almost slightly yellow but not red. And we're gonna start by cutting this one and slide this one up with salt and lime. Let's do that, shall we? Oh, water so cloudy. Alright, we use drinking water instead, no? This one is called goi nam hwa. And when I was a kid, when I moved to live with my grandma, having potato chips is not an option. Not because it's not healthy, but because we're poor. Yeah, 6 baht per bag. My grandma won't let me eat that. And this is what we can find when we want to have chips. Let me cut it into little thin. Like this one we call kua. Kua is mean like a whole banana. We is this one. This one called we. We're gonna cut into we, and then we're gonna cut into the one banana. You can have this one with caramel. I wish I could make caramel, but we don't have the butter right now. At the moment, what we're gonna make with cheese powder, and that is amazing too. We're gonna put a little bit of salt in this one, in the water. You know why? Because green banana turn out to be black when the skin, it do like, is it oxidized? When it's got airs in it. So we're gonna cut some lime. Lime help keep the banana white. Alright. Oh, look at this one. This is twin banana. When I was a kid, they said that if you have this one, you're gonna have twin baby. And I just keep eating banana, like twin banana. So when I have twin, not even have one. Alright, and then cut like this. Careful, they have glue. What you call glue, that white thing? Oh, gentle. Just like this, and then you soak into salt and lime water. Here I'll show you up close how to get the banana. I'm gonna get one banana like this, cut top and this one, and then you cut the skin. You can't peel it yet, like how you peel any banana. So you're gonna need to do like this. They have glue, like I don't know, we call yang, which is like this white thing that coming out. This one is so sticky. Make sure you soak it like this, and then continuing to do the rest. Now after we're done, we need to slide it. Now this is how this one come into handy. You could do both way. You could do like this, which is gonna come out looking like this. I recommend if you're gonna do caramel, do like this shape, because this one is so crispy like a chips. But if you're gonna do with it's how it depends how you prefer. Let me show you how to do this one first. Careful your finger. This slide is very easy, super easy. When it's nearly to your finger, you just go very slow like that. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to do this shape too. This shape you just do like this, and then it's gonna come out like that, which I prefer this one when it's come to a whole day snack. I don't know why this one. I like both. I remember when I was a kid, when I do this one, and we actually, when we do it, we do like a whole bunch, like a lot. So I basically have a lots of banana chips when I was a kid, like a whole bunch. Like when we make a whole big batch, and then we put it in a plastic bag, tied it up, airtight. My grandma makes like drizzle that syrup on top of banana, and it's like hold together as like a crystal. So delicious. There you go. You got the banana slide. Ooh, look at this all white thing. This is the glue. Now that you're done with sliding banana, the next step is try to dry it out as much as possible, because when you deep fry it, you don't want the oil to splash it on you. So get gadong. This one is gadong. Put banana on top, or get a basket, and then you put it outside, like lay it down like this for it to drain out the water. Very easy, very simple. The most easy thing to do ever. But imagine I screwed this up after just saying that. You know, when I was a kid, we have this game, this play, because back when I was a kid, we don't have internet. I don't have a phone. All I have is like a book to read for fun. I think you will call comic book, but it's not really a comic book in Thailand. It's just like a book full with joke. We do that, but that one's like 5 baht per book. No way I can afford that. We just play like this, talking alone, do pretending cooking, pretending like you're selling something. Who knows that this will be what I'll do for the living. I appreciate you guys. This morning, I do the whole garden backyard, and I found this banana fall down. The tree fall down. So I was like, what should I do with this one? Actually, where you look at this one, where it's have a little bit yellow, if you keep it, it will go like bright. So I'll keep half of it, and I will fry half of it and give it to the neighbor and my uncle and auntie. Almost done. Lay it on top of each other like this. It's fine. I'll just get like big piece. If you want to try, when you come to Thailand, you go to 7-Eleven and looking for banana chips, and that's exactly what I'm making. Alright, all done. Now we're gonna deep fry it. Actually, leave it a little bit. If you're doing it, you leave it outside a little bit for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we deep fry it. Okay, now frying the banana. Turn on some heat. Heat up some oil. You see, it might quite be a lot of oil, but if you want to be more healthy, you can put it in air fryer. But I don't know what it would taste like when you put it in the air fryer. Alright, we're gonna deep fry this one in medium heat until it's crispy, a little bit light golden, and then we're gonna actually put it in a tray for it to drain out some extra oil, and then we put this in the box and shake it up with the cheese powder. So when you do with your home, be careful about this one. See, like all the oil, so sticky like that. Ooh, let's see if it's ready. We do the test with this one first. Not yet. Could be. I think this is it. We put the round one first. That's a test. Now lower the heat to medium. Oh dear my god, this is so much fun. I feel like doing more. I might do it more. Look at this. I want to do with the caramel. Caramel, butter. This is like a crispy little coin. Almost yellow. Alright, now it says stop bubbling. I think this is when it's ready. I'm gonna put it on the tray over here. And then we put this batch in. I'm gonna put everything in here, all in one. But with this one, keep continuing to stir when you put it in, otherwise it will stick together. There you go. Keep poking them, alright? Don't let them stick to each other. They love to stick to each other. Look at that. I feel like the first one is easier to stir, to fry, because it doesn't stick to each other. But this one, it's long and it takes a lot of space, and I like to stick to each other. Probably I have a little pan too. I should have changed this one to 2 batch. We keep separating them until they get hard. This one is soft and it's like kind of floppy. This is perfect for snack or order. You have guests coming over. I'm not sure if you're able to find the green banana anywhere. If you grow your own. If the banana fodder. Actually, I have another one of those behind of this. So maybe I save this one for you to get ripe, because this one is big but that one is tiny. Maybe I can use that one for deep fry. If you see any of them try to hold on to each other, separate them. When it's ready, it will stop bubbling, and that is time to bring them up. Because as you bring that up, it gets darker. Look at this. This is plain. Very naughty. Try more. Very good. It doesn't hold that much oil actually. Very nice. I think next time I'm gonna do it like this and do it with the caramel. I think it's enough. I'm gonna bring this up and put it here, drain the oil. But keep the heat on. When you deep fry thing, if you don't want it to, that whatever you're frying to soak up on oil, don't turn the heat off before. See, as you put it out, it keeps darker. But if you're gonna put the coating on, and I'll turn the heat off. If you're gonna put the seasoning on, do it now while you still have oil. So here you go. Put your chips in the box. Quickly. I think it's too much. Do a little bit. Do a little bit each time. Frying tax. That's a tax. Alright. I use OK cheese powder today. spring it up, spring it here, and then like I spring it like that. That one done. This is when you work it quick because the oil is still here. There you go. Yay! All done! Oh my god, it's so easy. Very chill, relaxing day. Here you got your banana chips. Taste. Ooh. Let's do this one pretty. I wouldn't say it's better than potato chip, but it gives different texture. This one is more thicker from texture. I mean, this is not that healthy, but this one have a health benefit. Whatever it is, I have completely forget. Oh, it's here. Health benefit for a green banana. Delicious. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this very simple delicious snack. If you're interested to try this on, it's just easy, like how you make popcorn. I hope this video give you something entertainment or a little bit tips and tricks and background of when I was a kid. I really enjoyed making this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you. Shawty was asleep under the table.